Dear students, I welcome you all to the class of English Optional BA second year. In this semester, we are going to study paper number 5th entitled Indian Writing in English. In the previous class, we dealt with the syllabus prescribed for the paper Indian Writing in English. This paper has 5 units in semester 3rd. Unit number first deals with brief history of Indian writing in English. Unit number 2 deals with poetry. 3 deals with fiction. 4 deals with non-fictional prose. And unit number 5 deals with drama. Dear students, today we are going to discuss brief history of Indian writing in English. First of all, let us see what is Indian English literature. Indian English literature is a kind of literature written by Indian writers in English language. It is conditioned that the writers who are writing in English should have native language as their mother tongue. Their native language is essentially Indian. Indian writing in English has comparatively brief history, around 1.5 century old. A travel narrative entitled Travels of Deen Muhammad by Saqi-e-Din Muhammad is regarded as one of the earliest attempts in Indian writing in English, though some non-fictional and political work were written prior to this. In the later phase of 19th century, the emergence of some famous Indian writers changed the literary scenario. Most of the writers wrote in their respective mother tongue and subsequently get translated their works in English. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Rajmohan's Wife is hailed as the first Indian novel in English. It is an imaginary history of modern India. Raja Rao, the Indian philosopher, penned Kantapura and the Serpent and the Robe. Rabindranath Tagore took Bengali language for his writing and later on translated his works from Bengali to English. Rabindranath Tagore wrote his poems, short stories, novels, plays into Bengali language, and later on he himself translated them into English language. Gitanjali, the collection of songs which gained Nobel Prize for Literature for Rabindranath Tagore in 1913, was basically written in Bengali language. Later on, he himself translated all the songs comprising in that collection of songs into English. So Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, they wrote in their mother tongue, that is Bengali, and later on they themselves translated their works into English. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Rajmohan's Wife is regarded as the first Indian novel in English. It is an imaginary history of modern India. Raja Rao, the Indian philosopher, wrote his novel Kantapura and Serpent and the Rope. Rabindranath Tagore wrote basically in Bengali language and translated it into English. Dhanagopal Mukherjee was the first Indian author to win a literary award in United States. Mirasi Chaudhary was famous for his autobiography of an unknown Indian, while Ramnath Kak, a Kashmiri writer, wrote his autobiography Autumn Leaves. Soon after, a new generation of Indian writers emerged with the advent of writers like R.K. Narayan and Mulk Raj Anand. Narayan Swamy and Friends presents evocation of small town life and its experience through a child protagonist, Swaminathan. Mulk Raj Anand's Untouchable deals with social alienation. Narayan and Anand stand out from their predecessors in the sense that they bring common man on the street into limelight. R.K. Narayan and Mulk Raj Anand wrote their novels or short stories depicting common man as the protagonist. There was also an Indianness to their work in terms of the words they used and their style of writing. This resonated with the new but growing rank of Indian reading in English literature. Their works were the forerunners to the magnificent diversity of Indian writing in English that we see today. The most notable writer among the later period was Salman Rushdie, who won the Booker Prize for his Midnight Children in 1981. He falls under the category of magic realism. Amitav Ghosh successfully carried the literary tradition further. His The Circle of Reason, The Shadow Lines, The Glass Palace were the novels that witnessed the experimental narrativist history. The contribution of woman novelists is significant. Some of the important contribution came from Kamala Markandeya, Nectar in a Sieve, Some Inner Furry, A Silence of Desire, and A Handful of Rice. These are popular works of Kamala Markandeya. Sant Sama, Rouse, Remember the House, and Anita Desai's Cry the Peacock and The Voice in the City are some of fine examples of the life lived then in the urban and the city. Writers like Ruth Zabwala and Nayantara Sehgal gave a healthy competitions to the writers writing in English much later. So friends, it was the beginning of Indian writing in English. Especially I have focused on the origin and development of Indian prose or Indian novels. How the Indian writers initially wrote in their mother tongues and later on they themselves translated their works into English language. Later on, many of the Indian writers tried their hand in different genres of literature. Indian poetry, Indian drama, Indian fictional and non-fictional writing is not lagging behind on the canvas of world literature. Rabindranath Tagore's achievement of Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 attracted the attention of the world towards Indian writing in English. Later on, number of dramatists, number of essayists, number of short story writers, number of novelists emerged on the horizon of Indian writing in English. So friends, in the following class, we shall deal with the brief history of Indian drama in English. Then we shall deal with history of Indian poetry in English. This is how we shall deal with all genres of Indian writing in English one by one. So with this, I would like to remain here. Rest of the things shall be continued in the following class. Thank you very much.